In this video, I'll write a Java program to print your name. I'll use new features from Java 25 to make this code a lot more compact. If you don't already have Java 25 installed, click the link down below to learn how to install Java 25. Void main for our main function. String name equals IO.readln. Please enter your name, space. In a single line, this will get input from the user and store it in the name variable. Last, IO.println name. If we compile and run this code and enter jacubication for name, we'll see the code work properly. This has been jacubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.